Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Please subscribe to Big Foodies to get the latest recipes and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Friends, the recipe that I am sharing today is one of the most basic recipe with just one ingredient, that is butter. Making ghee at home is really easy if you have unsalted butter. Ghee is a clarified unsalted butter with the milk proteins removed. It has a high smoke point, making it perfect for cooking and an incredible flavor. Many people who cannot tolerate dairy can handle ghee. Ghee is considered liquid gold and revered in Indian culture. When made from high quality butter, it is a great source of fat soluble vitamins like vitamin K and is great for teeth, hair, skin and nails. On top of being shelf stable, you can use it just like you would butter too. Ghee is used in most of the Indian desserts and sweets. Also, homemade ghee is very special for any puja and offerings during festivals. Let's check the ingredients now to make this super delicious and super healthy fat for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are making ghee or clarified butter using unsalted sweet cream butter. So we are going to use about 4 lbs of sweet cream butter to make the ghee because we want to make lots of ghee. Follow the same process and you can use the quantity as per your convenience. So now we have taken a large pan and in this large pan we are adding our butter sticks. While adding the butter sticks, keep the flame on low because we don't want to burn the butter. So we have taken out all the butter sticks and we have kept the flame to low. So don't keep the flame too high because if you will keep the flame too high, the butter will melt very fast and it can burn very easily. We do not want to burn the butter. If the butter will be burned, the ghee will not be good quality. So you need to keep patience if you are looking to make good quality ghee because making good quality ghee requires a lot of patience and you need to cook it on a low flame. Otherwise, if you will cook in a little high flame or medium flame, the butter will burn very fast and the ghee will be giving the burning smell of the butter. So we do not want to do that. So first allow the butter to melt and while the butter is melting, don't forget to keep stirring it till the butter is melted. So you can see that the butter is melting slowly. So we need to keep patience till it is melted. So you can see that the butter is melted completely now. We need to keep the flame on low all the time till we make the ghee. So keep it on a low flame and keep stirring it every 2 minutes. Butter solids will stick to the bottom of the pan and it will burn. Just make sure that you keep stirring it every 2 minutes, that the bottom of the pan don't stick the butter solids and they don't burn. Otherwise the burning smell will and the burning taste will come in the ghee. We do not want our ghee to be getting the burning smell and taste. So to make the ghee, it can take around 20 to 30 minutes depending on your pan and the quantity of butter you are using to make the ghee. So just be patient and make the ghee very slowly and keep stirring it every 2 minutes so that you can get the good quality ghee that you get from the market. So it's been 10 minutes and now you can see that the milk solids and the ghee has started separating. So we still need to keep cooking it on a low flame and keep stirring it every 2 minutes to get a good quality ghee. So it's been 20 minutes since we are making our ghee. So you can see that the ghee and milk solids have separated quite a bit. We still need to cook it for some more time so that the milk solids are completely separated from the ghee and we get good quality ghee. But you can see that the color of the ghee really looking beautiful, which is what we want as the outcome of this recipe. So friends, it's been about 40 minutes since we are cooking our butter to make ghee. So you can see that it is almost 70% done and you see some foam on top of this ghee. So once our ghee will be ready, this foam will go completely away. Just make sure that you just keep stirring it in between and cooking it on a low flame. And once this foam will go away, then our ghee is ready. So you can see that now our ghee is ready. And it really looks beautiful and transparent. So some milk solids are resting on the bottom. That is fine. We will strain the ghee you can see that all the foam is gone away. Some bubbles are remaining on the top, that is fine. So these bubbles are part of the ghee. We need to turn off the flame first and then allow this ghee to cool down a little bit. We need to keep it on a temperature that it is not solidifying, and then we will strain this in a container, and then we can keep this ghee stored for 6 months very easily. So now the ghee has come to room temperature, and you can see that the milk solids have been separated and they are rested on the bottom of the pan, and the bubbles also are gone. So now we will be using the strainer to strain the ghee. So make sure the strainer that you are using should be having very thin holes. Don't use the thick hole strainer. So we have to strain the ghee slowly using the strainer. So you can see that we have used the market unsalted butter. So we have got milk solids in this form, and our ghee has been separated really nicely and it really looks beautiful. So allow it to solidify. So you can use this milk solids while you're making roti paratha or puris, and it really gives a nice flavor to the roti paratha and puris. So while you're making the dough for roti paratha or puris, you can mix this in the flour and then you can make the dough out of that. So it really gives a nice crispiness to the parathas and rotis. So our ghee is really giving a nice and beautiful smell and flavor. We have taken 4 lbs of unsalted butter, so which is around 1800 grams of butter which we have taken, and it has made us around 1.5 liters of ghee or clarified butter. So now friends, you can see that the ghee has been solidified, and you can see the color of the ghee, how beautiful it looks. It is really resembling the color of the market ghee, and you can see the texture of the ghee. It is really the danedar ghee that we really want, and the quality is really super. You can add this ghee in any recipe, and it really gives a nice flavor and taste to all the recipes. So our super delicious and super healthy ghee is ready, and add this in any recipe of your choice. Give it to your kids, your family, your friends in any recipes, and they will really love this taste. So if you like this recipe of how to make the ghee from unsalted butter, please do subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. This ghee is super delicious. You can add this to any recipe of your choice, and it gives a nice flavor and taste. And please don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.